Huwag niyong ipagsiksikan ang sarili niyo sa hindi nagpapahalaga sa inyo. It's unfair to the spirit that lives in you, and it's unfair to yourself. You deserve a better treatment. You have only one life to live on this earth. There is eternal life, yes, but here only one. So bakit mo papayagan na nadadaya ka? You are in a relationship that doesn't have any respect for your personhood and your dignity. Get out of it. God has something better for you. Kung minsan nadadaya tayo na yun na lang ang pag-asa natin. Akala ng iba, ito na lang magmamahal sa akin, wala nang iba, so hindi baling ginaganito na ako. Hindi yung totoo. Alam ng Diyos ang ating sitwasyon. At meron tayong katapat na mas bagay. Katapat na hanap buhay, katapat na trabaho, katapat na profesyon, katapat na kaibigan, kasama sa buhay, kasama sa bahay. Don't settle for what is not very good for you.